Hi everyone, Sam here from the Genuine Futures family. I'm here in Breightmet. When we talk about left behind communities and what it really means, I'm at the Young People Centre here in Wagon Road. I was just driving past on my way to a meeting and I seen all this grass. I thought, wow, look at it all this grass here. I thought, nobody can be bothered even cutting the grass. That's what we mean by left behind. And Breightmet is one of the most deprived communities of the UK. It's been given £20 million and they're looking for voices to how to spend this money. And the least they can do is at least cut the grass, couldn't they? You know, and I drove down the other side and it's the same there as well. So this is what you call left behind. You know, it's nice. It's summertime. The birds are singing. You know, there's families and there's just young people around here. They could get involved in cutting this grass, and that's what it means to provide that education, that support, and that's what Genuine Futures do. We provide education and training. We run programs that inspire, that motivate, and for us, it's all about empowering these left behind communities. So if you want to get involved, visit us at genuinefutures.co.uk. Contact us at hello@genuinefutures.co.uk. If you want to sponsor, you want to support young people, families, get in touch. Let's collaborate. It is all about collaboration. It is all about making a difference. So yeah, please, we look forward to hearing from any like-minded organisations who want to get behind in helping left behind communities. Bye from me. Have a great day. Ciao for now.